Hi there, I'm Sumit and you're watching one of the Tableau tips and tricks. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can add line as a separator in our dashboard. Here are a few examples which you might have seen on Tableau Public. Well, in Tableau, we don't have line shape as an inbuilt feature. However, we can add text box and format it in such a way that it will look like a line, and we'll be using very straightforward only 2 steps to get it done. So now let's get started with our Tableau thing. First step would be to drag and drop text box from object section to the workspace area. Here we need to ensure that we need to place our text box on the position where we need to separate 2 contents. And after this, we need to play with some formatting tweaks. We need to go ahead and reduce its height and fill it with some color. And yes, that's it. Let me know your thoughts on this trick, and thank you for watching. Thank you.